Now that we have successfully connected Stripe Payment Gateway onto our platform, let's look at updating the business settings, the branding information for generating your invoices and payment links. In order to update that, you need to go to settings. Under business settings, these are the information that you need to update. In some instances, your company name and your brand name could be different, and you might want to use your company name to generate all the financial invoices. So in that instances, you may want to update the business name in here with all the company details so that your invoices will all have the company information. I'm going to quickly update these information. Okay, now that I have filled in all the details, the last thing that I want to do is the logo. And this is the logo that will be printed on all your invoices and also on the payment link as well. I'm going to select the logo. I'm happy with all the information. I'm going to update it. Now that we have successfully updated the business settings, in the next video, let's look at generating invoices and generating the payment link and sharing it with the customer.